There are 4 lines a wise person never crosses with their parents. Cross them, and you may lose something you can never recover, even when your anger tells you otherwise.
Because the people who raised you gave more than money or comfort. They gave years of their lives, often sacrificing silently without keeping score.
First, never raise your voice at them in anger. You may believe you are right, but respect is not surrendered simply because you disagree.
Your parents are not your enemies. They are the people who stood beside you before the world knew your name, when you had nothing to offer.
Anger can make you feel powerful for a moment, but harsh words spoken to your parents can leave wounds that apologies may never completely erase. Second, never disappear without letting them know. Growing older means becoming independent, not becoming invisible to the people who worry about you.
They are not trying to control every step you take. Their questions often come from concern, because love does not automatically disappear when you grow up.
One simple message can calm an anxious heart. I am safe. I am okay. I will be home soon. It costs almost nothing, but means everything. Third, never make your parents carry everything for you. They spent years carrying your burdens. Maturity begins when you learn to carry your own.
Do not confuse their willingness to help with an obligation to serve you. Your independence should lighten their load, not quietly increase it. Responsibility is one of the clearest signs of maturity. Handle your duties, make your decisions, and become someone your parents can trust.
Fourth, never place strangers above the people who have loved you without conditions. Many will hear your words. Few will truly stand beside you. Watch carefully when life becomes difficult. The crowd may disappear, friends may change, but those who genuinely care often remain when everyone else walks away.
And remember this, one day the voice you hear today may exist only inside your memories. Time does not ask permission before taking people away.
So honor your parents while you still can. Speak gently, check in, help them. Listen when they speak, even when you think you already understand. Respect is not something you promise after they are gone. It is something you practice while they are here. Do not wait for silence to teach you their value.